Hey everybody out there in YouTube land, I'm going to do a quick experiment today on how to potentially do a new way of heat treating your metal small parts to give them either a gold, a blue, a purple finish. Traditionally you do that with fire and then you would quench it in oil. I'm going to try a different approach today, and the approach I'm going to be using is going to be with this desoldering or soldering gun, airflow. It has an incredibly high temperature range. I'm not too sure if it starts off in Celsius or Fahrenheit, so there's going to be a little bit of experimenting there. I'm going to be using this color chart here, which has a temperature range both in Celsius and Fahrenheit. I'll give you a link below if you want to download this. And the only way to find out whether it's going to work is to turn this thing on and heat up some metal. For the metal, I just have a little piece of standard high carbon steel. I don't remember the exact makeup on this one, but it's from a metal supply shop, so it's nothing fancy. It's not like 1095, I know that for sure, but it's still hardenable steel. I'm going to start by trying to hit the straw yellow, pale straw yellow. That is 230 degrees Celsius or 495 degrees Fahrenheit. So in order for that, on. I'm assuming this is in Fahrenheit if you look at the numbers. So it's reached a temperature of 350 degrees. What did I say, 495? $445, sorry guys. A little hard to read the screen, it's kind of tiny. Okay, 445, and we'll go back to this angle here. This is, this glass it's sitting on is Pyrex. It's a standard glass you use for heat. Don't do this, it's just a standard piece of glass. If it's not Pyrex, it could easily shatter the glass. So I'd imagine this process is going to take longer, so I'll just be quiet and let the heat gun do its job. I could be imagining things, but it looks like it's changing color to me. I would actually say it's overheating, which tells me my temperature is probably in the Celsius range, not the Fahrenheit range. So it definitely works at changing color. Now, be careful with these things. Yeah, be careful with these when you're done there. And obviously insanely hot. I mean, it tells you right there. So it worked for bluing.